Excellent design, refined ambience, and top-quality production. The hallmarks of the new Strada Nova EB. The company from Hessen has chosen a build for their flagship which may be complex to manufacture, but the fiberglass monocoque is extremely durable. And they've put a lot of emphasis on a stylish exterior for this third generation of the Nova. The entrance of the fiberglass build has been broadened considerably. The awning is seamlessly integrated into a groove in the fiberglass cabin. The tinted windows fit smoothly into the overall picture. Even the air vents for the refrigerator are the same color as the vehicle. A large aft window allows air and light into the interior and fits snugly into the lines of the fiberglass monocoque cabin. Robust inner hinges on the door and outer compartments, fitted with push-to-open locks, facilitate state-of-the-art operation and locks. The Strada Nova EB won the Red Dot Design Award 2020 for its clear and modern exterior. The interior of the Nova EB is refined as well. The elegant furniture surfaces alternate with numerous elements finished with milk glass optics. Indirect lighting creates atmospheric evening lighting. For the first time in the Nova series, Strada has used a single bed layout. Under the front of the beds, you'll find large pull-out drawers for folded clothing, as well as a wardrobe for hangers. The center section of the Nova EB is home to the galley and bathroom. 2 large pull-out drawers, a cutlery drawer, an open shelf and 2 hanging cupboards provide space for cooking equipment. For your ingredients, there's an 80-litre fridge with automatic energy selection. Above it is the 2-flame stove with piezo ignition and a solid cast-iron stovetop. Next to it is a spacious sink. A very useful additional work surface can be folded out to the left of the kitchen block. The bathroom opposite has a toilet, cupboards for toiletries and a window which comes as standard. With the sink folded up, you have a spacious shower that's separated off with a foldable plastic shower wall. Right behind the cockpit is the L seating group. The Nova EB has 4 seats for driving fitted with 3-point safety belts. The bench has an optional ISOFIX attachment point for child seats with top tether. The SKA comfort seats with pneumatic lumbar support and heating are comfy whether driving or at rest. In the full leather version, there's even an optional seat climate control. The fiberglass monocoque living space of the Nova EB is mounted on the latest Mercedes Sprinter. Modern assistance systems such as distance control and side wind assistant, voice support, reversing camera or automatic gearbox provide a top-quality driving experience. At 6.99 meters, the Nova EB is still considered a compact van in the luxury segment. But in terms of design, quality and living comfort, it competes with larger land yachts in every way.